Steps for solving rates of change. Do you know who invented chocolate chip cookies? Number 1, Amelia Simmons. Number 2, Ruth Graves Wakefield. Number 3, Rafael Esposito. Problems. The lunchroom sold cookies during lunch. In 4th hour, an average 6 cookies were sold per cash register. At 7th hour, an average 8 cookies were sold. What is the average rate of change between 4th hour and 7th? Here is a graph of the previous word problem. There are several ways to solve it. First, the way using the graph. For this one, we count how far the points are away from each other. First vertically and then horizontally. So first vertically, so 1, 2, and that is 2 right there, and horizontally 1, 2, 3, and that is 3 points, and it is called rise. So the rise, which is this one right here, is gonna go on the top, and then the run, which was sideways, is right here, and that's gonna be in the bottom. And here's our rate of change. Here's another problem. In week 5 of training, Fred was able to bench lift 75 pounds. By week 9, he was able to lift 100 pounds. What is the average rate of change between week 5 and 9? For this problem, we are not going to use a graph. Instead, we're going to use an equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I already put in the numbers for this, so we're going to solve this. 100 minus 75 is 25, and 9 minus 5 is 4. If we simplify this, it's going to be 6.25 over 1. And do not forget that rise over 1 still does go this, so make sure the y is on top of the x. And make sure like the 2's go together. So like the numbers on the right here on the right side like goes together like on top of each other, and if like the right one goes on the top of like the left one, then it's going to be wrong and you can't get the correct rate of change.